Hi, I want to buy a grill.
Sure. Gas or charcoal grill?
Which one is better?
Charcoal gives a smoky flavor.
I like smoky flavor.
Then charcoal is perfect.
Is it hard to use?
Not at all. Very easy.
This red one looks nice.
That is our best seller.
How much is it?
$79 on sale today.
Great deal. I will take it.
Do you need charcoal too?
Yes, and lighter fluid.
Aisle 12 has everything.
I also need grilling tools.
The tool set is next to the grills.
Tongs, spatula, and a brush?
Yes, $15 for the set.
This is my first time grilling.
You will love it. Happy grilling! Hello? I need meat for a barbecue.
Great. How many people?
About 6 people?
I suggest steaks and chicken wings.
How many steaks do I need?
6 steaks, 1 per person.
What kind is best for grilling?
Ribeye, very juicy on the grill.
I will take 6 ribeyes.
How about chicken wings?
2 pounds, please.
Do you want them seasoned?
No, I will season them at home.
Homemade seasoning is the best.
Do you have burger patties?
Yes, fresh ground beef patties.
6 patties, please.
Anything else?
6 ears of corn for the grill.
Corn is in the produce section.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
Enjoy your barbecue.
Good morning. What can I get you?
I need burger buns, please.
6 buns per bag. Here you go.
And hot dog buns, too?
Right here. Also 6 per bag.
I will take both.
Are you having a barbecue?
Yes, our first one ever.
How fun! Need any dessert?
Do you have apple pie?
We baked fresh ones this morning.
It smells amazing.
It is our most popular pie.
1 apple pie, please.
The pie is $12.
With the buns, how much total?
$19 total.
Here's a 20.
Your change is $1.
Thank you.
Have a great barbecue.
Hi, I am planning an outdoor party.
Welcome. What do you need?
Do you have string lights?
Yes, warm white or colorful?
Warm white, more elegant.
Good choice. These are waterproof.
How long is one strand?
20 feet. For a small yard.
I will take 2 strands.
Do you need citronella candles?
What are those for?
They keep mosquitoes away.
Oh, yes, I need those.
3 candles should be enough.
Do you have sunflowers?
Fresh ones just arrived today.
I will take a bunch for the table.
Great idea. Very cheerful.
How much for everything?
$36 total.
Here's $40.
Your change is $4.
Thank you. Party time.
Have a wonderful evening.
Hi, Lisa. Are you busy tonight?
Hi, Tom. Not really. Why?
We are having a barbecue.
A barbecue? Sounds fun.
Can you and Mike come over?
What time?
Around 5 o'clock.
We would love to come.
Bring the kids too.
They will be so excited.
I bought a new charcoal grill today.
Your first grill? Congratulations.
Ha! I hope I do not burn the food.
Mike is a great griller. He can help.
That would be amazing.
Can I bring anything?
Maybe a salad?
I will make my potato salad.
Your potato salad is famous.
Ha! I will bring lemonade too.
Perfect. See you at 5.
We cannot wait.
Let's set up the backyard.
I will start with the grill.
Do you need the instructions?
No, I can figure it out.
Famous last words.
Okay, maybe I need them.
Step 1. Open the legs.
Done. Step 2.
Place the charcoal tray inside.
Got it. The grill is ready.
That was fast.
See, I am a natural.
Now help me hang these lights.
Along the fence?
Yes, and around the big tree.
That looks really beautiful.
I will put sunflowers on the table.
And the citronella candles?
One on each corner for mosquitoes.
Smart. Everything looks amazing.
Like a real outdoor restaurant.
Our guests will love it.
The grill smells amazing.
I put the steaks on first.
How long for each side?
I am not sure. 3 minutes?
For medium rare, 4 minutes.
You know a lot about grilling.
Mike taught me. Flip them now.
They look perfect, golden brown.
Now put the chicken wings on.
How hot should it be?
Medium heat, not too close.
Like this?
Yes, turn them every few minutes.
Oh no, they are getting dark.
Quick, move them to the side.
I saved them just in time.
Huh, almost burned them.
Grilling is harder than I thought.
You are doing great for a beginner.
The burgers are next.
Let me handle those. You rest.
Thank you, Lisa.
Mike, try the ribeye steak.
It is so juicy. Tom did great.
Lisa helped him a lot.
She is our grill master.
This potato salad is delicious.
Lisa's secret recipe.
Do you barbecue often?
Every weekend in the summer.
What else do you grill?
Ribs, shrimp, and vegetables.
Grilled shrimp sounds amazing.
Next time I will bring some.
We should do this every month.
Great food and great neighbors.
Do you like the string lights?
They make the yard look magical.
Have you been camping this year?
Not yet, we want to try.
We went last month. It was amazing.
Maybe we can all go together.
That would be so much fun.
Cheers to good neighbors.
Look at all the stars tonight.
I can see so many.
The lights make the yard so pretty.
It feels like a little paradise.
Did you have fun today?
The best Saturday ever.
You did great grilling.
I almost burned the wings.
But you saved them just in time.
Lisa was a great teacher.
And Mike ate 3 steaks.
He said they were the best ever.
We make a great team.
The best team.
Should we get outdoor lounge chairs?
For nights like tonight, yes.
I love our backyard.
Me too. Best place in the world.
Let's do this every month.
Deal, but next time I grill alone.
I want to see that.
I will practice, I promise.
Good night, backyard.
Good night, stars.